Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Saturday, or whenever this video will be uploaded. A happy day. Just on a little day hike today, and there's people on bikes coming. It's like, it's a popular trail system, so what are you going to do? And I'm also right in the middle of the trail, so I have absolutely no idea where this trail goes. I've actually never walked it before. Literally the other side of the street, I was actually in the area across the street, which I'll show you right now. It's going to be a little noisy, so just so you know. So yeah, that's actually a pretty major roadway between one city, and then if I went out here and made a right and just kept going, I'd head out to the National Forest. But I'm just at the park today. So I don't really have a lot planned today. In fact, I really have, other than walking, I've got nothing else planned today. I mean, I do have another video I'm going to shoot when I leave here. I'm going to head to the store. Wow. Is that really necessary? Man. I gotta go that way farther and get away from all the traffic noise. It's also kind of windy today too. So. Anyway, let's get to the trail and we'll just see what the day will bring. So just making my way down the trail. I haven't gotten very far, but I've already found a little offshoot trail. I think I'm going to keep going this way though, just so I know where it goes, because I'm curious. Seen a couple stumps, but I didn't really feel like trudging over to get to them. Maybe on the way back, maybe, if I do it at all. Just more enjoying the day. This way it looks like it's going downhill too. So I don't want to work too hard. Although, wow, that sounds lazy of me, but I think we're going to go straight. Let's see where the path leads me. And look at all those colors too. Got a lot of maples in here, so. Sweet. Interesting. Not too far up from where I just stopped. There's another little off trail, but I think I'm going to go with my original plan and just keep going this way. So this is heading west. So this might be another time. So it looks like we've reached the Burnside Trail. Don't know why they call it that, but maybe it's if you have to call for help, you can just say, yeah, I'm on the Burnside Trail. So, probably be a good idea to like take a picture of it and you can just look on your phone and tell them where you are. They got them on the Burnside Trail. Because I have full cell service here. We're not that far away from town, so. No. I hope I got that in time. It's like a big gust of wind came and just blew all the leaves. It kind of looked like it was snowing leaves. Come on, Gus, do it again. Ooh, I think I hear another one. Maybe not. Darn it. Just came to a crossroads. I'm at the toy trail now. Just came from this way. How pretty that is. And then it goes off this way. Oh, here comes the wind. Oh, there's the snowing leaves I talked about. Nice. It's a little cold today too. I wish I'd brought my gloves. It's not unbearable, but I didn't know it was going to be so windy. I knew it was going to be sunny. I didn't know it was going to be windy. I don't know if you guys ever wonder, like, what does Mark do with his tripod when he's hiking? Well, the truth is, I just carry it because I'm always stopping to shoot something. So putting it all down and sticking it in my pack every time would just be cumbersome. Excuse me. So yeah, I don't want to do that every time. It'll just be kind of a pain. So I just carry it. I mean, yeah, it's a little bit big. You know, I got the Panasonic, and I don't even bother putting the legs down. I just, you know, well, I'm 6 foot, so it's about 5 foot, what? 5 foot some, 8 or 9, just in tripod and camera alone. Well, yeah, there's no point in sharing what I'm doing if I'm not going to film anything, so I'm just doing handheld with the Nikon right now. So it's the way I came. Camera never does it justice, though. That's the sun glare you can see. It looks like it's getting a little light up here. We might be coming to another crossroads, or sometimes I've ended up coming up to an end of a street in a cul-de-sac where someone's houses are sitting. Everybody don't know. I've never been on this trail before, so I didn't tell anyone I was coming out either. I usually don't on day hikes because I still have cell service. I mean, if an animal jumps out and takes me, well, that would suck. But, you know, I think there are enough people here that shouldn't be a problem, I hope, knock on wood. Going through some sticker bushes. So, definitely feeling a little burn in my legs. Burn is good. Oh, looks like we got another crossroads here. Oh no, it just straight up turns one way or the other. Interesting. So we have this way, which goes north. This way I just came, and this way that goes south. I think I'm going to turn the camera off and ponder a moment. I think I might go south. That sounds good. Running my little ultra pod, which I had to record twice because I wasn't recording the first time. So funny because Bruce from Fab Creations had just mentioned ultra pod the other day. It's also how I shoot my dashboard videos. I'll just set it up on the dash with the legs out like this and just record as I almost fall over. So I'll just set up on the dash while it does the thing. little YouTube trick there for you. Interesting. Just came off this little side trail because I was skirting along, and it put me out at this little clearing that I didn't even know was here. So I'm gonna go check out that little area, and then it swings around. I hear people coming, but it's all good. And it goes back that way. I have an idea where this goes. Well, I know that goes north, but I don't know what's over this way. So we're gonna take a look.